Hey guys, today on Know Your Produce, I'm going to show you how to make Instant Pot white beans. They're so good and so easy to make. You do not need to buy canned. Let's go. So now to start our Instant Pot white beans, I like to put them right into my Instant Pot container, and then I will actually remove any beans that are broken or split or any stones, and this is what you want to remove. Now that that's removed, we just take our bowl and then we add some water. I like to use cool water and give them a good rinse. Then I put the Instant Pot right back into the Instant Pot container, and then I will add in my water. We're doing about 1 pound of white beans, so I'm using 5 cups of water. You could also use broth to make them extra flavorful. Now we'll set the lid on and we're gonna set our Instant Pot to sealing. And then I'm going to put it on manual high pressure for 30 minutes. After the Instant Pot beans came to pressure and cooked for 30 minutes, I allow them to naturally release for 20 minutes. And I feel like this helps them get a little bit softer, and then you can just release it after that, and then you have the perfect white beans. Now you could use these beans however you like, but I definitely recommend giving our white bean soup a try. It's so delicious, and you can use it blended or just with the broth as is. So now to save these beans, we like to put them in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 days in an airtight container, or you can freeze them for up to 6 months in an airtight container. Don't forget to save the juice when you freeze them or put them in the refrigerator so they stay nice and plump. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy how to cook white beans in the Instant Pot. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Say bye, guys. Can you say bye? Bye-bye. Look over there, the camera. That's everybody. Say bye-bye. You don't see anybody, right? He doesn't know who he's looking at. Say bye-bye. Can you say hi? Say hi. You shy? You shy? Oh, she didn't put them.